Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the BMW 635 CSI and this is actually a 2025 casting. So we did unbox this in this dark glittery green color. So again, someone actually asked me to unbox this in this specific color. So that's the only reason I bought it. So I think this is from Q case if I'm not wrong. I don't remember it exactly now. So I just saw this one in one of the small shops, so I bought it. You can see this paint chipping out here. Okay, that's the fun part about collecting Hot Wheels. You need to expect the unexpected. Okay, so here is the card art. Honestly, I personally love that green color variant because that looked really amazing. So here is the closer look of this particular color variant. So the paint job looks okay. It is not really that eye candy to be honest, and but I really love the detailing on this one because it has this acrylic headlights, chromed out bumper, and same goes for the rear. So it has acrylic tail lights, chromed out bumper, and okay. So the rims, I mean the tires are not really that great, but it's okay. And the interior is actually chromed out. It is black chrome if I'm not wrong. So you can see the interior. At least for this casting, they went with like uh, more clearer tint, clearer windshield instead of giving some kind of tint and making it look really ugly. This looks really good. Okay, so this is a wide body version, so that's the reason it looks so beautiful. You can keep this car in this way, and it is going to look like a monster. It looks really cool. Okay, so the detailing looks really nice, even in this particular color variant. So they could have went with a different color variant, like a red color, like a cherry red. That would have been super cool on this casting. But it didn't do that. Okay, let's weigh this casting. 32 grams, not bad. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, looks like I'm facing some issue here. See, this is why a lot of people actually suggested me to buy a wider track. See, this has a wider body kit, and this you can see here. It's getting stuck here, specifically, in this joint. Maybe let me pull this mat a little bit. Still, it is not going to roll, but at least it rolls really nice. It pushes through that, center, so we are good there. So let's rate this casting again. I mean, I don't have any complaints about this casting. It's a solid 10 out of 10. So if you guys are able to get this casting, if you are able to get this in that green color without any hesitation, go ahead. In case if you are not able to get that in green color but you are able to see this, go ahead and get it. You won't regret it at all. It is a beautiful casting. Man, look at the headlights here. That looks really amazing for a Hot Wheels. That too for this price range. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.